Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 2.6 linear equation in one variable. So let's begin with question number 1. Now question number 1 we have 8x minus 3 inside the bracket by 3x equals to 2. Okay. So what is the next thing that we will do with this thing? We'll cross multiply it. Okay, so as 2 is carrying 1 as the denominator, so if you multiply 1 with this thing, so the same number will come and we'll take this number towards this side. So we'll do the cross multiplication. So 1 into 8x minus 3 would be what? Same only. That is 8x minus 3. And if you multiply 3x with 2, then it will look like this. Okay. Now let's multiply this. So 8x minus 3, that would be equals to 6x. Now what I will do, I will bring this 6x towards left hand side and I will take this minus 3 towards right hand side. So in the next step it will look like 8x minus 6x, that would be equals to 3. Okay. So the required answer would be 8x minus 6x would be 2x. That would be equals to 3, and finally we'll take this 2 towards right hand side, so it will look like x would be equals to 3 by 2. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 1, students. So let's move on to question number 2. This is question number 2. So we have 9x by 7 minus 6x inside the bracket, and that would be equals to 15 by 1. We can write 1, and then again we'll do what? Cross multiplication. So 9x into 1 would be what? 9x only, isn't it? And this will take to this side, so it will look like 15 into, inside the bracket you will give 7 minus 6x. Okay, so this is a binomial term and this is a monomial term. So what we have to do, we have to multiply this 15 with 7, so answer would be 105. And 15, we'll put this minus sign, and 15 into 6 would be 90x. Okay, 15 into 6 is 90x. So what is the final thing we'll do? We'll bring the variables towards the left hand side. So it will become 9x plus 90x. That would be equals to 105, isn't it? So 9x plus 90x will give you what? 99x. That would be equals to 105. And finally we'll take 99 towards right hand side and it will look like 105 upon 99, isn't it? So we have to reduce this. So what will be the final answer then? So these two numbers can be reduced by 3. Yes, 3. That means 3 35s are 3 33s are. So your required answer would be 35 upon 33. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 2. Now let's move on to sum number 3. So this is question number 3, students. So again we'll do the cross multiplication. We'll multiply this 9 with this z, and z plus 15 will multiply with this 4. So in the next step what we'll write? Z into 9, and that would be equals to 4 into, we'll bring this z plus 15 towards this side. So we'll write z plus 15. Now what will the answer? What is the product of z and 9? It will be 9z, isn't it? Now we'll multiply this 4 into z, 4z. We'll put this plus sign. 4 into 15 is what? 60. Now we'll bring this 4z towards left hand side. It will look like 9z minus 4z. That would be equals to 60. 9z minus 4z would be what? 5z. That would be equals to 60. Now z would be equals to 60 by 5, and then we'll reduce this to number. 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. So z would be equals to 12. So this is the solution of sum number 3, students. Now let's move on to sum number 4. This is question number 4, students. So again with the same conception, that the same concept we'll proceed. That is, we do have to do the multiplication, cross multiplication. So 5 would be multiplied with this, so it will look like 5 into 3y plus 4, and this binomial will take to this side, so it will look like minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Now we'll open the bracket. Now 5 into 3y is 15y. We'll put this plus sign. 5 into 4 would be 20. Now let's do the same thing on the right hand side. Minus 2 into 2 will give you minus 4. Minus minus will give you plus. 2 into 6y would be 12y. Now next thing, yes, we have to bring this variable towards left hand side and the constant terms towards right hand side. That is 15y minus 12y, that would be equals to minus 4 minus 20. Okay, so 15y minus 12y will give you 3y. Minus minus is plus, so it will become 24. 20 is greater, it is carrying minus sign, so we'll put minus sign here. So y would be equals to minus 24 by 3. Let's reduce this. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. So your final answer is y equals to minus 8. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and all stay safe.